This coin collection tracker template will help you to track the items that you have in your collection, the condition and value of each item. I'm going to show you how it works. It's available in Google Sheets and Excel. So here we go. So first you want to put the year of your item. Choose from the drop-down box what type it is. If there's a mint mark, you can put that on there as well. How many of the items that you have. Say if you have 100, you can put that in there. Now notice when I put 100, it will add up the total number of items that you owned all together. So that's in this column. The date you collected it, so you can just highlight this, you can delete it, you can just choose a date. So let's just say you got it this year. What condition is it in? If it's mint, any other condition, what location is it in? Is it super rare? Is it super unique? This is up to you to decide. The value, and then the purchase price. Where did you get it from? If you have a catalog number, and then what the insurance value of each item is, and any notes that you have about the product. So that's how this works. It's really easy. If you wanted to make any changes at all, so say if you didn't like the drop down box, you would just hit the edit button, and then you can make any changes to that here. So you can just say, instead of unique, you can just miscellaneous, whatever you want to change this to, hit done, apply to all, and it will change it for you. So that's how it works. And this is the dashboard. This will also show you how many total items you own, what's the total value of your collection. You can put in your top 10 items that you have, and then you can also see how many items that you have by category. So super fun. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out. This sheet is available at savvyandthriving.com, and you have a great day.